Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Cleo's Save Streaks features. Now, Save Streak encourages consistent savings by tracking how many days or weeks in a row that you saved. It's almost like a fitness streak but for your wallet. Now, here's how to use Save Streaks. First, you got to do is enable automatic savings, and then Cleo will track your progress and notifies you when you've hit milestones. And of course, they're gonna tell you things like, "Oh, you've saved for 7 days straight," or 3 week streaks, keep it going, and stuff like that. But you can view your streaks in the Save tab, or you could just ask Cleo in chat. You could say, "Yo, how's my save streak?" or "What's my savings record?" Now, maintaining long streaks can unlock Cleo challenges and motivate consistent habits. So it's a pretty good feature to take advantage of to help you out financially. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our updates in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.